So, today I've added some little springtails to my isopod terrarium. I was starting to see some small amounts of mycelium growing and decided it was time for my little helpers to move into the setup. I've always wanted orange springtails, but was worried about the care for them when I was a first-time terrarium builder, so decided on tropical whites for those ones. I'm going all out with isopodhouse. As you can see, I have air plants, lots of enrichment, and I'm attempting to grow a mini moss wall on two sides of the terrarium. I'll add the leaves at a later stage when I add the isopods. As you can see, I am spooning about half of the springtail pot into the terrarium. I will keep the other half in the pot in hopes that I will be able to breed more orange squishies for future projects.